Me? Thank you.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowing an Angel. Ah!
Oh, more like.
Oh! Ah! Oh my God.
Are more like.
Oh my God, Carlos, stop it. Oh my God. Anyway, hi everyone. Once again, I'm with this crazy one, Carlos G. Flores.
How you doing?
With a K. Oh my God.
Ooh.
Well, I'm super excited because, Carlos, what are we going to be doing today?
Honey, if they only knew and trust and believe, they're about to find out. Pac-Man is back.
Yeah, we're going to be playing with this beautiful palette again. And you guys saw it on one of my videos. I already used this palette and it was amazing. It's from Wet n Wild, and trust and believe.
It was both wet and wild.
So tonight we're going to do an amazing look that I found on Instagram. And also on YouTube. Well, actually she have a YouTube channel. I haven't saw the video, but I saw it on Instagram. A little bit of it. Oh my God. So yeah, so I saw this amazing look, so you can check it out in the picture. Actually, let me move you a little bit for the picture. You can see the look here in the picture. It's amazing. So she's super talented, so please follow her in her Instagram, follow her in her YouTube channel, and follow this one over here too again.
Are more like.
Oh my God. So how are you feeling, Carlos, about doing this for the second time?
I think I'm feeling like. Somebody help me. Ooh. Oh. Okay, now, yes, it's time to start.
Oh my God.
Talk about Pac-Man. Honey, they're packing. So, let's just take this off and... Only by Wet n Wild. Levy's the niche. Ooh.
I'm gonna start with a little bit of this highlighter, just to do it in the base, a little tiny bit. We're gonna use this beautiful fuchsia. Well, so far, so good. Now we're gonna use this beautiful teal, which I love.
Ooh.
Do you like teal, Carlos?
I'll tell it.
Oh my God, it's so funny. Oh, I love that.
Ooh.
Look at that teal.
Ooh. How you doing?
With this little brush, I'm kind of like trying to kind of even it out a little cute line so it looks even. Just like this. Alright, cuties, now we're gonna use this beautiful purple over here.
Ooh.
Wow, it's looking hella cute, Carlos.
Oh my God, what?
I'm loving it. Now we're gonna use our cute blue. Talk about pigmented. Yeah, she's definitely powdery.
Let me go.
Underneath his eyeliner, we're using this beautiful color,
Ooh.
the glittery orange. I see my true colors.
True colors. How's it looking, people? Am I looking pretty Pac-Man-y then? Wait, am I looking pretty Pac-Man-y now? Or am I looking pretty Mac-Nanny then?
Oh my God. Oh my God, Carlos, look at that shimmery orange. And maybe she was born, we say. Oh, maybe she was born, we say. Oh, wow. Maybe she was born, we say.
What? Who? Maybe she was born with it.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the eyeliner, the thing that I'm the scared of. Does that feel bad? Oh my God. Oh Oh my god.
How you doing, everyone? And welcome to Carlos G. Flores presents Knowing an Angel. How am I looking? Because I know you looking. Ooh, at me. Okay.
So now with a little Q-tip, we're gonna clean around the circle so we can take the residual of the makeup out. So with the Q-tip, I'm gonna put a little setting powder so that way it sets. It's a big brush, just remove the excess in the little corner. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna use my yellow. I just discovered that yellow is my favorite color. I'm gonna put a yellow in there, nice. We're gonna pat it nice and cute. I'm having like so much fun with
Oh my
this.
god, I'm like loving it. I'm feeling like Mrs. Pac-Man times 3 times.
So just pack it. Pack it, guys. That's the secret. Just pack the yellow in.
I'll pack it.
Oh my god. Oh, Carlos, you're looking like gorgeous.
Oh.
Maybe she was born with it.
Oh, wow. Maybe she was born with it.
Oh, I'm gonna refresh the eyeliner just a little tiny bit and do the eyes. So now we're gonna put the foundation, we're gonna do all the stuff, put the contour, the blush, and we'll come in right back so we can draw those little Pac-Mans around his cheeks. Love set. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this mixed with this one. Are you like okay? Oh my god. Oh my, this brown hair is like popping. Wow, and once again, she is.
Powder.
She's powdered in. Wow, you're looking amazing.
What?
Okay, now we're gonna drop a little cute Pac-Mans. I am so excited because we're almost about to be done.
Oh.
Well, oh my God, Carlos, you literally look so freaking good. I am literally like so happy with the look. What do you think?
I definitely love it.
Feeling good and looking fine.
Oh.
Feeling good and looking. Honestly, like I had so much fun doing this look, and honestly, I think we kinda nailed it. I mean, I'm not trying to be cocky or anything, but I think we kinda nailed it.
I think we beyond nailed it.
So anyway, like, what do you thought about the collection? Do you love it? Do you enjoy it?
I loved it. It was fun. It was whimsical. It was retro. And trust and believe with this look, I'll be ready to pack a few, man. And trust and believe it's going to be wet and wild.
Oh my God, sorry everyone. My friend is a little cuckoo. So well, Carlos, thank you so much for being in my video once again.
Oh my God, thank
Once
you.
again, I love
Don't
it.
forget to like and subscribe, Knowing an Angel. And if you want to know a little bit more about me, don't forget to check me.
I mean, don't forget to check him out with his YouTube channel, Knowing a Carlos. Knowing a Carlos. I mean,
You don't even know me.
originally, I was gonna do this look on me, but I guess I said, I guess let's do it to my bestie. Imagine his hair color too. We want to say a special thank you to Hijabador. I hope I'm saying her name right, but here is her link, her Instagram, her YouTube channel. I think it's the same too. Thank you so much for inspiring me with this beautiful look. You did amazing. I don't think it looked nothing compared to the beautiful look you did, but I tried my best to get it as close to it. And thank you so much. Carla, you want to say something to Hijabador?
I mean, talk about an inspiration, honey. I'm living, and I think I found my new favorite thing, honey. A clip.
Oh my God.
How you doing?
Okay, love you so much, everybody. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Love you. Awkward. Oh my God, more like I go this way.
Welcome to Knowing an Angel.
Or more like, no, you're gonna say or more.
Oh, I say it?
Yeah.
Welcome to Knowing an Angel. Or more like, oh my goodness. Welcome to my channel. I know, I messed it up. I had to do something. Okay, this is the
that's
last
the
one.
last one,
This is the last
Carlos.
one. Okay, pause it.
Or more like.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, do it.
Why are you being so
Do it again.
difficult?
I don't know, it just doesn't feel natural to me. Okay, try it.
Oh my God, look at Carlos himself. He's one of these playing Pac-Man.
Oh my God, what? And this Pac-Man got nothing on me.
Wow, wow. Oh, Carlos, you're so rude. You're gonna take the makeup off.
Yeah.
Wow, Carlos. Just taking all my hard work.
Thank you.